What's up everyone, this is Tom from Chaseki and we're back live from our tea house here in Chiang Mai. It's been a while, the last 2 weeks. I was very busy. I was traveling abroad in Malaysia and I barely didn't have any time. When I got back, my voice was gone and I wasn't able to speak for a couple of days. So I really have to apologize for not uploading a video for the past 2 weeks. But now I'm back, and as you can remember, we have our ongoing video series, All You Need to Know About Matcha. And this is episode number 8 of this ongoing video series. And we're talking about the mistakes that you should try to avoid if you want to have a perfect cup of matcha. Before we dive right into it, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you get an information that every time we're uploading a video, and promised I will upload more videos in the future on an ongoing basis. And please also follow us on our social media such as Facebook at facebook.com/chaseki.tea, on our Instagram account at chaseki.tea. You can find us on Twitter, and of course you can also check out our website for all the nice matchas that we're selling. So feel free and follow us there, and I'm writing a blog as well, so a bunch of stuff that I'm putting out there to share all my knowledge with you. And well, let's dive right into the topic of today. Again, the topic for today is mistakes that you should try to avoid. And one of the big mistakes that I hear many times from customer is that they actually go to the supermarket to purchase their matchas there. That's one of the biggest mistakes that you can actually do, because supermarkets, they don't offer a high quality matcha. What supermarkets do is they have very low quality matchas, usually from different countries. They're not even from Japan, and most likely from China and South Korea. That's also regions where they produce matcha, but in a different way. So they use different cultivars and they don't shade their matcha, and this has a huge impact on the flavor of your matcha. Another thing that is very common for supermarket matchas is that you usually get a culinary or cooking grade quality, which is very bitter. And as I already mentioned in previous videos, there are different qualities in matcha. You have the culinary grade matcha, you have the standard matcha, and you have the ceremonial grade matcha. And usually the culinary and the standard matcha are harvested during the summer and also in the fall. So you don't have the nice fresh green tea leaves that you have at a ceremonial grade matcha, which is only harvested in May, late April, early May to mid-May. That has been shaded for at least 4 weeks. And this is the big difference that you have in a low quality matcha and a premium tea, such as the ones that we sell here at Chaseki. So do yourself a favor, and I know sometimes it's difficult because you don't really have the budget to buy a higher quality matcha, but you will definitely taste the difference once you had a premium matcha. You don't ever want to go back to the cheap ones that you buy in the supermarket. You can tell by the color. Again, I will link that up here or up here. In my previous videos that I explained how you can actually see the difference between a premium matcha and a culinary or cooking grade matcha. It's very easy to tell by the color. The culinary grade matcha tend to be more yellowish to khaki or brownish even sometimes, and ceremonial grade matchas, they have a very nice vibrant green color. So this is just by the eye, you can tell the difference. And the higher the quality of the ceremonial grade matcha, the more vibrant, the more green, almost like fresh pea, fresh cut grass, very nice, very vibrant, very intense colors at the high premium ones. So this is one of the big mistakes that you should try to avoid. Do not buy your tea at the local supermarket. Always, always, always choose a certified or specialized tea house or a website that is specialized on ceremony grade matcha. It will be definitely a waste of your money if you go for the cheap versions, because it's not really drinkable. As the name says, it's a culinary grade matcha. You can do some mixed drinks with it, but even then you have to add a lot of sugar to tune down the bitter notes of the lower quality matcha, and it's not a real pleasant experience to drink such a low quality tea. Yeah, so this is all for today. If you have any questions, please leave me a message in the comment box below. You can also contact me directly on our Facebook page or send me an email throughout our website, and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. If you live here in Thailand or if you live around the Chiang Mai area, feel free to visit us at our tea house here in Chiang Mai, and you can try our matchas that we have here. So yeah, looking forward to hear from you, and maybe you can share some of your experiences you had in the past. Maybe you had one of those cheaper versions of matcha from the supermarket, and afterwards you had a premium ceremonial grade matcha, and would be great to hear what you think about the difference in the flavor and the colors. So leave a message down below, and all the information about today's topic you will fill also in the description box. And yeah, looking forward to see you in my next video, which will be uploaded next Sunday, same time. And if you have any questions, just write me. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and beware of the bad teas. Always drink the good stuff, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.